Okay, to install the spinner, you're going to need a few things. You need a drill, 1/8 inch drill bit, 1 3/4 inch hole saw, a pencil, a 2mm hex key or Allen wrench, and some screws. 3 8mm M3 screws, and 4 these 3/8 inch long countersunk screws. So we'll start just by marking out, using our template here, where we want to install the spinner. Just using a piece of wood here, not my actual control panel, but you get the idea. Okay, once those are marked, we'll go ahead and drill our center pilot hole. And our 4 1/8 inch screw holes. Take our 1 3/4 inch hole saw. Clamp this down a little better. And we're just going to drill right through our center hole. So about halfway through or so first to get majority of the cut made. And then you can flip your panel over, go from the underside, and finish it so you don't get a lot of tear out on the drill hole. Normally, if you're working on your control panel, it's already installed, you won't need these clamps. But I'm working on a little snack tray here, so I need all the support I can get. And there you go. See, that lines up with our screw holes. Next step would be to pop out the center ring of your mounting plate. Leaves you with something like that. This one's been sanded and spray painted, so it's got a glossier finish. But you'll go ahead and screw that to the control panel. We'll take our spinner, rotary encoder module, and from the under the side of the panel, just slide that in and snap it into the center of the hole here, and line up the screws. There's 6 holes, 3 line up with these, with the screw holes. We'll take our M3 screws and start them loosely. Now we'll get them just snug. They don't need to be tight. That's good. Next thing we do is install our knob. There's a flat spot on the shaft. Line up your set screw with the flat spot there. And then you want to lift up slightly and tighten that screw down a bit until it spins freely. If it rubs, if you don't get it up high enough, just go ahead and loosen that screw and readjust it as necessary. If I got it all the way down here, you see it rubs against the screws. So you got to lift up a little bit. You got a nice free spinning wheel, knob, top, spinner.